Cleaning my home every day isn't just about looks, it's how I keep peace of mind. A clean space helps me think clearer, feel calmer, and stay ahead of the chaos that comes with everyday life. In today's video, I'm sharing the vacuum system that's been helping me keep up with all of this without lifting a finger. Welcome back to the channel. If you are new, you are gonna love it. Here we do all things home decor and a lifestyle. So if that type of content resonates with you, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave me a comment below. So here's the thing, I'm home a lot, but that doesn't mean I always have the time or energy to deep clean every day. Between cooking, tidying up after the kids, I'm just trying to stay on top of life. I realized I needed help keeping the floors consistently clean without it becoming a whole production. That's why I decided to get a robot vacuum. I wanted something that could run while I was busy doing other things or honestly just resting. It's like a quiet little assistant that handles one of the most annoying chores without needing a reminder. Now, this isn't my first robot vacuum. I actually had one before and I really loved it. So I already knew how much of a difference it makes in my daily routine. But when 3i reached out to sponsor today's video, I was like, absolutely yes. Because this one, it takes convenience to a whole new level. So today's video is sponsored by 3i and I've been using their P10 Ultra Robot Vacuum in my home and I genuinely enjoy it. What I love most is how effortlessly it is. I can be in the middle of something or not even home at all and still start a cleaning session straight from my phone. Literally just open the app, press clean, and it gets to work. I don't have to think about charging it, emptying it, or even filling it up with water. It takes care of it itself. Buy auto wash the pump with hot water, auto wash the washboard, and hot air drying. The other one I had, it could mop the floor, but I was afraid to use it because I had to do it all by myself. So I love how this one does everything automatically. Helps me out tremendously. AI me, please. Thank you. Now, for someone like me who loves to thrive off a tidy home but doesn't always have the time or energy to constantly clean, it's been a total game changer. It's giving modern day home management, but make it smart, hands-free, and a little bit of luxuriousness right here. Setup was surprisingly easy. I literally just took it out of the box, my husband plugged it in and connected it to the app, and it was ready to go. No complicated steps, no extra tools. It pretty much walks you through everything. Now let me tell you why this thing is so next level. First, it vacuums and mops at the same time. And the mop pads actually extend all the way to the edges, so you're not left with that little dusty border that most cleaners miss. And the suction, let's talk about that. It is so strong. It picks up everything from crumbs to pet hair. Well, they say pet hair. I don't have pets, but it does take up hair because I've combed my hair, in the bathroom, and it takes that up with breeze. It dusts in the corner. I love all of that. It even washes the mop pads with hot water, dries them with hot air all by itself. Listen, it empties the dirty water, refills the tank, and cleans the bottom tray. Like, what doesn't this thing do? I am absolutely in love with this. My favorite part, the built-in camera and the LiDAR. It maps out the layout of your home in 3D and avoids obstacles like cords, toys, furniture in real time. It's literally like having eyes. You can also view your home's floor plan right in the app and set no-go zones for specific areas. For instance, if you don't want it to go on your carpet when it's mopping, you can set a no-go zone, but the AI in this thing will automatically detect that it is a carpet and it will not get it wet. Like, I tried it. My heart was in my mouth because I was like, what am I doing? But I had to try it and I was pleasantly surprised. You can even select the specific area, the specific room that you wanted to clean. For instance, yesterday after dinner, I selected the kitchen area and all it did was just clean the kitchen area, mop it, and it went back to the dock. It's like having a little cleaning assistant that never gets tired. And again, the best part is I control it all from my phone. It's giving a soft life, and I love that for me and my family. Now, something that I really appreciate about this vacuum is how effortlessly it transitions between surfaces. Whether it's my carpeted areas or hardwood floors, it knows exactly how to adjust. No dragging, no mess left behind. It gives everything a deep clean without being too aggressive, and I love that. Now, for anyone who sheds hair or lives with anyone who does, this part right here is a game changer. It has a built-in tangle cut system. So when hair starts to wrap around the roller like it usually does with other vacuums, this one actually slices through it on its own. No scissors, no maintenance headache. You don't even have to think about it. And that was a no-no for the other vacuum. That alone made it worth it for me because the amount of times I've had to sit on the floor cutting hair out of rollers, I am so over that. There's just something about a clean home that resets your whole mood. It's not just about the floors being spotless, it's about peace, ease, and creating a space that supports your day. Even when things get busy. That's why I love this robot vacuum. It runs while I handle everything else, and when I walk into a clean room, it instantly makes me feel more control. If you're like me and you're always juggling home, kids, and everything in between, this has been such a game changer. No more chasing crumbs or stressing about floors. It vacuums, it mops, it even handles tangled hair. Really? So my space stays fresh without me having to constantly manage it. You can grab yours on Amazon, easy shipping, no hassle. The link is in my bio. And if you're thinking about investing in something that gives back your time and keeps your space feeling clean and love, this is it. This one is it. Thanks for watching. And if this helps you, don't forget to like, share, and let me know below because we deserve homes that feel as good as they look. I love me a clean home. I am a little bit on the OCD side when it comes to my home being clean. So I am enjoying this product. Love the fresh scent that the cleaner gives. And I love how clean it makes my home. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Leave me a comment below. Ask me any question below. If you're thinking of investing, this is the one. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.